What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Have you been trying to get that new Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra, but it's just a little too pricey? I got a way for you to get it half off. I think it's around 53%. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Also, we're going to unbox it straight from Samsung. You're going to see what it comes with and what it doesn't. Check it out, guys. What's up, everyone? Welcome to another video from Everwonder Tech. Today is the day. Finally, I get my 512 Galaxy Note 20 Ultra unlocked from Samsung. I'm going to unbox it in this video. I'm also going to tell you how I got it for almost half off. Best deal I could find. It's an amazing deal. You're going to want to check it out. All right, so I'm excited, so let's go ahead and dig in. I heard that some of the carrier phones didn't come with the normal stuff that would come with your older, like the Note 10 Plus or the S20. Things like headphones, things like stylus tips for this phone. They came with the Note 10 Plus. For some reason, they didn't come with it on the carrier devices. Now, this isn't unlocked. You can see it unlocked by Samsung, so we'll see if they actually have the headphones and the stylus tips and stuff like that in there. Note 20 Ultra 5G. Sweet. Let's see if this thing is what it's cracked up to be. All right. Well, they don't put a screen protector on it anymore like they were doing, so that sucks. Wow, look at that massive camera. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that thing is enormous. I did get a case. It's going to basically make this flat because a lot of the problems that I've been seeing everybody's having, it's too big. It doesn't lay flush. So the case that I have, it's still a slimline case, but it'll close up this gap so it lays flush. I'll show you guys that in another video. I'm going to do a bunch of videos on this phone, by the way, so tips and tricks and all kinds of stuff like that. All right, so let's see what's in the top. I'm assuming manuals, as usual. Feels pretty light, guys. Real light. So we got your SIM card removal tool here. And not that I read manuals ever, but this is all you get. 3 little tiny things. Terms and conditions, this quick reference guide, and introducing the Galaxy Note 20 5G. That's it in that side. Let's see what we got in the box here. We got our charger, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Let's see. Yep, this is what I was afraid of. Empty. Oh, wow. And we got our USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Now, look at this. The box is empty. So they're charging more for the phone. This particular phone, before my discounts and stuff, is $1,449. Before tax, before discounts. So almost $1,500. And they can't even give you extra stylus tips. Not that I ever used them, but it'd be nice just in case. And no more headphones. So they charge you more money and give you less. I mean, look, guys, this is literally all you get. You get the charger and you get the phone. Not even a screen protector. They can't even put a film on the screen protector. A little disappointing, Samsung, as far as that goes, but I'm still super excited for the phone. I'm coming from a Note 10 Plus, which I probably didn't need to upgrade to the Note 20 Ultra. But I'm a tech junkie and I like to have the latest and greatest, so I figured why not? Plus, I got a heck of a deal. Now let me explain to you guys how I got this phone for half price. My carrier wanted $925 down, and I would have a monthly payment, and I would have only got the 128. I found that to be totally ridiculous. So I started exploring some options. I checked eBay, I checked Amazon. They did have some decent deals on eBay, but I wasn't too thrilled by them. They felt kind of sketchy, and I didn't know if it would work with my carrier, even though it said unlocked. But I just didn't want to go that route. So I went to Samsung. Now Samsung's giving me $650 trade-in on my Note 10 Plus. So my total after taxes was $910. I got a 512 Note 20 Ultra from Samsung unlocked for $910 versus going to my carrier, giving them $925, still having a monthly payment on it, and only getting the 128. And it wouldn't have been unlocked either. I mean, it was a no-brainer. I got more than double the memory for less than my carrier. So that is that's what you need to do. That's what I do with just about everything I buy. I research the hell out of it. I want to make sure I'm getting the best price. I want to make sure I'm getting a legit product, not counterfeit. And, usually it pays off. So if you don't want to do the research, that's fine. But I would at least look into some options to seeing, like, even if you have to pay $500 down or $600 down, it's worth a little bit of extra money to pay for this phone through Samsung if you have a good trade-in. I know they're giving $650 for the S20s, the Notes. I'm not sure what else. I don't know how far down the list it goes, but they're giving really good money for trade-ins on their phones. So check that out before you go through your carrier. And if you get an unlocked version, you can use it on any carrier. This is the US version, not the international version. So it does have the Snapdragon processor in it, which I like a little bit better from the reading I have done and the videos I've watched. The Exynos processor versus the Snapdragon. The Snapdragon is just a little tiny bit faster. Not much, but I'll take the little bit of speed over the, slower any day. So anyways, US version, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, 512, $910 after taxes, unlocked on Samsung.com. All right, everyone. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on this, some tips and tricks, some comparisons with the Note 10 Plus as far as benchmarks go and size and all that. Stay tuned. And if you have any questions or any comments, leave them down below. Please like and subscribe. Definitely helps out the channel. You guys have a good night. Take care.